The next thing you can do in Revit after you have placed your fixtures and assigned them IES files is you can export this into LightStanza. And so the way you can do that is you will go into your LightStanza plugin and you will export. From here, you will want to make sure that your light bulb is included. If you click it, it will exclude all your fixtures. And then from here, you can decide if you want to export the whole model or you can pick certain rooms that you want to export. And so, for instance, I'll choose a few rooms. And then we will export. Great, and so here are the rooms that I exported. You can see that I only assigned 2x IS files to the 2x4 fixtures. The red triangles note the fixtures that don't have any IS files assigned to them. The kitchen, for instance, didn't have any fixtures placed, and neither did the laundry, and so you can just go and place those fixtures yourself when in LightStanza. But this is just a super simple way that Revit and LightStanza are compatible with one another. If you want to learn how to run calculations from here and make any other changes, you can watch some of the other videos.